This is our chicken automatic water project by myself, Reese Hickman, William Lott, and Colby Furman. I'm going to take you inside the coop. Now, as you can see right here, we have a Arduino sensor that measures the temperature and the humidity inside the chicken coop at all times. It's in this little box that's screwed onto the wall. We got some holes and stuff in there to make sure you can actually get the readings and everything. And then our Arduino actually controls this thermo wire up here, which is capable of heating up to about 120 degrees, but it never really gets there. But once the temperature hits about 40, it's going to kick on, and at about 45, it turns back off to mitigate the ice levels. So as you can see, it's ran right through here. I'll take you around the side and show you the outside of the thermo wire. A little muddy around the chicken coop today. Now, as you can see by our apparatus, we have quite the build going on here. About halfway through the gutter coming out of the ceiling of the wall is this thermal wire, which right now in my hand I can feel. It's pretty nice and toasty. Nothing too elaborate or gonna burn you or anything, but there's no ice forming in that gutter, that's for sure. And it comes down here into this little gutter connection. The wire continues to run down through this tube, and there's about 3 or 4 feet of wire inside of this barrel that makes sure that there's no other ice or any other things that can get in there and freeze and, you know, put a stop to the operation. You've also got a nice packing here, some insulation that's about 2-3 inches thick, really keeps it warm. And there's an overfill valve right here in case we get a tsunami or something. And then down there is the tube that connects. It goes right into the wall outside of the barrel. And I'll show you what that connects to. Back into the coop. Down in here, this is our tube. It's currently drying at the moment. That's why we have it duct taped to a barrel. But we do have another video of the chickens actually drinking out of this, which I'll sort of tag onto the back. And the cups sort of work under a gravity situation. The more water that goes into them, the valve starts to close. So once it becomes a full cup, it automatically closes the valve. And once the water starts draining out by the chickens drinking it, it fills back up. So yeah, that's it. That's our chicken project in the chicken coop at the McCoskey Center. Chicken.